Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be on obviously a Halloween inspired look because it's October and Halloween is coming up and I definitely wanted to do something for it. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. I used my Fantasy Beauty dip brow because for some reason my pencil just decided it wanted to get rid of the actual pencil that's on the inside. Now, I honestly don't remember where I got these eyeliners, liquid eyeliners from, and I can't even tell you the name because they kind of don't have one, but I'm gonna use these for my cat eye because what's a cat eye without a good winged eyeliner? I apply my lashes with Maybelline Falsies. And I use Millz palette My Type lashes. So aside from all the scammers and lying companies and having to leave for duty this past weekend, I just wanted to get back into makeup and doing something that I know is going to calm me down and get me into the season, you know, the spirit of the fall pretty much. So I just decided to do this look with you guys and I wanted to get back on track with everything. So trust and believe, the challenge is still going. I just had to take a little intermission because of work, but I promise you I'll be back on it. I have 2 videos going up tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for that because you don't want to miss those. If you are watching this in the end, make sure you drop a black cat at the end so I know you were here. Also, let me know what you want to see next, whether you want to see more Halloween looks, more simple glam makeup looks, or whatever, you know, just drop down in the comments and let me know, and I promise you I will deliver, guys. To draw the, I guess the mouth, the little cheek thingies on top of a cat. I'm sorry, I have no idea what the freak to call that. I just used a white eyeliner pencil in the Millz palette, these 2 different shades of pink, which I'm definitely going to be using in a breast cancer awareness video. And for the nose, I went in with some glitter, but once again, that also doesn't have a name. For my foundation, of course, you know who I went with. Maybelline Fit Me 330 Toffee. And I use the black eyeliner to draw the whiskers. Then I went ahead and highlighted under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin with the Ruby Kiss Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Rich Caramel. My beauty blender was also damp when I sprayed, just for even coverage, so make sure you do that too. Then I set that with the Airspun. Guys, oh my gosh, it freaking smells so good. Like, you know how like you get some transition powder and you're like, dang, I smell like makeup? No, you like, dang, smelling real like baby holy right now. Like, oh my gosh. And on my forehead and my cheeks, I use the actual contour portion as well as on my nose. And then for sculpt, I put that like just in the indentation of my cheek and my jawline. My bottom lashes, I went in with Fantasy Beauty 3D Lash Mascara, and I use it on my bottom lash. Yet again, I'll say it again, I'm jealous because my lower lashes are longer than my upper lashes. And for my upper lip, I just used the black lip liner. To line my lips, I went in with Maybelline New York Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade Totally Toffee. And then on top of that, I went in with Absolute New York's Velvet Lippy in the color Mint Pink. For my blush, I went in with Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 50. And over that, I went in with Millz Palette Highlighter in the shade Megatron. Well, that concludes the tutorial, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and join the family, and also hit that bell so you can be notified when your girl uploads, because I'll be uploading like crazy. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.